Matapos nga ang pagre-resign ni Nadia Montenegro bilang staff ni Robin Padilla sa office nito, ay narito po at nagsalita ang kanyang mga anak hinggil sa issue na kinasasangkutan nito sa di umano'y paggamit ng marijuana. Narito nga ang mensahe ng mga anak ni Nadia Montenegro hinggil sa issue. People may see our mom as an easy target, but to us, she is our greatest source of strength. At the end of the day, we don't need the whole world to love our mom or to love us. We just need a few real ones who truly see her heart. Life isn't about pleasing everyone. It's about having genuine people who stand with you in both victories and battles. And in this fight, we choose to surround Mama with love, truth, and real support. Thank you. You know who you guys are. Mula naman sa kanyang isang anak pa na si Aliana Asistio. What was done to our mom will never ever be erased. The pain she went through will never be taken back. Everything she did was out of her willingness, whether as part of her work or simply out of love. She gave up 2 years with us because of the job she was committed to. Even now, she continues to help others because that's who she is. My mom poured everything into what she did. She would never hurt or betray anyone because she is one of the most loyal people in this world. She gave more than what was required because of how much she loved what she was doing, but the truth is, she would have done it as a friend, even for free, simply because that's her nature. The way this has affected our family, my mom's name, and the trauma it brought to my siblings is something I would never wish on anyone. It broke us to see her doubted, accused, and hurt so easily without even being given the chance to defend herself. My dad always told me growing up, nak, wag mo nga asahan na yung kaya mong gawin para sa iba, gagawin din nila para sa iyo kasi masasaktan ka lang. But my mom, she will always be that person, the one who gives loves and shares because that's who the really is. We love our mom so deeply. She didn't deserve any of this. She is an amazing person. I love her so much. Leave her alone. Leave our mom alone. My family, I will forever choose us over anything. Say pa ng isang anak ni Nadia, my mom worked tirelessly for 2 years almost Monday to Sunday. She would leave while we were still asleep and come home when we were already asleep. During family events, the moment the office called, she would leave to help and follow the senator's orders. She was a loyal, responsible employee with a heart. Bagyo sa Pilipinas, gera sa China Sea, lumubog ang bangka, nasunog ang gusali, abused children, may burol dito at may patay doon, she was freaking there. Ano akala nyo? Tumambay lang siya sa Senate of the Philippines, enjoying the aircon and sipping coffee katulad ng ibang nakaupo doon? In fact, she probably did more, went to more places, comforted, embraced, and shook hands with more Filipino citizens than many of the senators you voted for. Your taxes were put to better use through the work my mom did. At pwede ba, walang katumbas na halaga ang nanay namin. Pinahiram namin nanay namin ng buo para makita nyo at maramdaman nyo kung paano niya kami inalagaan. And because that was where she found happiness and fulfillment, that was the work she loved. Ngayon, you return her to us broken, her name tarnished, her reputation shattered, her dignity crushed. Ang hirap mong mahalin, Pilipinas. Samantala, narito naman ang naging mensahe ng ilang mga anonymous commentator mula sa artikulo ng Fashion Police. Parang mali yata yung ending. Walang kinalaman ng Pilipinas sa allegations sa nanay mo. It's her own actions. If she's really innocent, isa lang naman ang pwede niyang gawin. Napakadali, magwagayway ng isang negative drug test. Yun lang, hindi niya kailangang mag-resign o magtrabaho overtime para lang makapunta sa mga burol o lamay at makipagkamay. FYI, hindi po yan ang trabaho ng isang senador. Napakababaw naman kung ganyan lang. Mga ineng, hindi naman yung kung papaano siya bilang kaibigan o ina ang issue dito. Marami namang makapagpapatunay na mabuting tao talaga ang mama niyo. Ang tunay na issue ay kung siya ba talaga yung naninigarilyo at kung totoong MJ yon. At madali lang naman ang solusyon sana sa bagay na yon. Kaso nagpadala siya sa bashers. Hindi naman guilty, kadaling patunayan. Kaso siya na din ang humatol sa sarili niya. Si Nadia Montenegro ay binigyan ng pagkakataon na explain ang kanyang side sa loob ng 5 araw. Ngunit, resignation letter ang ibinigay nito na tinanggap naman ng Senate Office ni Senator Robin Padilla. Well, yan po ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.